So hello guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. So in this tutorial video, we are going to learn about how to create a web page layout in HTML. As you can see that this is our web page layout basic. So this is our header section for the main heading, then navigation bar for the navigation links, then index if you want to write down index here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. If you want to write first file, second file, third file, or if you want to write here city name and the bar what is the whichever you want to write. Then content section we write uh, self content or external we pasted here, and this content section write in article tag. And this is a footer section. Section defines a footer for a document or a section. So we write in footer. Then let's just move forward to our code. As you can see that this is our code here. I write down our external file 2.css. Okay. Then I write down h2 p tag, then header tag here. This is our main heading. That's why I use header. Okay. Then section with as you can see that index and context section write in section tag. So I write down section here. Then as you can see that our h1 and p tag, and this is our footer. So I write down our footer tag here, our footer section. Okay. So let's just see this live server. As you can see, I write down here a UL tag for bullet, and first file is working, third file is working, and second file is working. Okay. Now let's just start with our code for the lookout like this. So let's just start with our code in our second CSS. Just first start with our right body font family. You can write that. Let's just write like this. Then save. As you can see that my text is changed right now. If you want to write Wordana, you can also write that and save. As you can see. Now let's start with our header. Let's just create this our main file font size. If you want to write font in 30 pixel or whichever you want, in 30 pixel, as you can see that. Then text alignment, center, then change color, red, and save. Then background color, black, and save. As you can see that. If you want space in text, you can add that padding here. I write down 10 pixels. As you can see, 5 upper and 5 lower. That's for the padding. And now is our heading. Heading is clear right now. Let's just start with our this index. Okay. So as you can see that I write down in index our this section in index. Let's just write down our nav here, because in navigation we use links here, so we need to write down here nav or navigation links. Then save. Now just write down here our navigation bar for the navigation links. Let's write down width 30 pixel if you want to write. Then save. As you can see that it's width right now. Then write down height. Let's write down 300 pixel. Then save. Okay. Then background color, powder blue if you want. Then save. As you can see that our height is right now and width. Okay, and this background color is now Powder width. If you want space, you can also add by these padding. Yes, as you can see that just padding right now. Then as you can see that I write down the text here. So if you want to write this in here, so you can also write that float we learned in previous video. If you want non-write, if you write right, as you can see our index is right mode right now. But I want to write this in left side, so I just need to write here left. Then save. As you can see our text is right now. As you can see that here our bullet. If you want to remove this bullet, so you need to write down here name UL, then write down list type. Okay, list type this. You can also write this. If you want square, then you can write down square here, as you can see. And if you want none of these, then just write down none, as you can see that. If you want to remove this space here, then write down padding 0 pixel. Then as you can see, our space right now removed. Okay, so that's for the index navigation UL. Now let's move forward to our T tag, our article section. We write down this is our article, so let's just write here article section tag here. Then just cut this and paste it here. Then save. As you can see, our article is slightly different right now. So let's write down our article here. Then in article you need to write down padding. You can write width. I write down 70%. Then save. As you can see that our width right now. And you can also write down height if you want. Let's write 300 pixel, which we write in upper side. Then save. Then also write down float left side and save. As you can see our section right now. You can also add padding here, 20 pixel I write, can space. As you can see that the padding here. Now adjust some background color. You can write down also hashtag and 40 if you want to write. I select this like this. Okay, yes. As you can see that my color right now. As you can see that my text is not in color right now. So let's change some height here. Let's add some 340. As you can see, still didn't. So let's just write our also here. I write down here 330. Still need. We can also adjust in after that. Let's write down our footer. For footer, we need to write down here text alignment center, then space. As you can see that our footer in center right now. Let's write down padding, time itself. Then let's also add here our section after. Why? Because section, this is our section. As you can see that this is our index and content. This is our section. So we need to adjust here our footer and this content. So we write section after. If you want to adjust this here, so we need to write here before. Okay. So let's just adjust here content. I remain empty here. Okay, then display table, then save. Okay, as you can see that, then write down clear both, then save. Okay, as you can see that our footer is right now down here. Okay, then if you, let's have 10 pixel. Okay, let's give them 5, then save. As you can see, for padding, if we write here 330, then this is, let's just write here 350. So it's linking right now. Okay, so just we need to also adjust here. Yeah, as you can see that it's maintained right now. And this is our footer. So I also add background color in footer, background color, hashtag 999, then save. As you can see, this is our footer section. This is our footer section. This is our index. This is our content section. This is our header section. Navigation bar is we already used in index. Our navigation links here. And you can also adjust the media here if you want to write. So just write here media. Then maximum width. Let's just write here 600 pixel. Then navigation and article. Okay, because we have here 350, so I write down here 600 max. Then we add here width also 100%. You can also write that here as a auto. Let's just write our height auto. Then save. As you can see that. So as you can see that. Okay. So that's for the our create a web page layout. Let's just see full screen. Okay. So this is our web page layout basic. So that's for the all today guys. If you want this code, then write down your email ID in comment section. If you have any query, write down also in comment section. For source code, you need to write down email in comment section so we can give you the code source code by email and future source code also. So don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Bye.